If you struggle with sinus issues, you are not alone. Whether it's inflammation or infection, sinus problems can make life miserable. But the good news is there's a natural solution that has worked wonders for many, including my husband, and I can't wait to share it with you. I'm Lynn. I love to help families with daily natural solutions for your mind, heart, and body. Every winter, my husband used to deal with almost constant sinus problems. But ever since he started using this simple essential oil recipe, he has stayed clear and comfortable all season long. It's made an incredible difference. This recipe is so easy to make. But before we dive into that recipe, let's talk about the two main sinus problems people are often facing. The first is sinus inflammation. This happens when your sinuses swell due to irritants, allergies, or dryness. It makes it hard to breathe and causes that heavy pressure in your face. The second one is sinus infection. This is when bacteria or viruses take over, causing congestion, headaches, and sometimes even pain or fever. This recipe helps with both by opening up airways, soothing inflammation, and fighting off those unwanted invaders. All right, so let's get into the good stuff. It's the recipe. This blend is powerful yet simple, and it uses just 4 essential oils. The first one is peppermint. This one opens up airways, cools inflammation, and supports clear breathing. Next is frankincense, the king. It reduces inflammation and promotes healing. Next is lemon. It helps break down mucus, supports drainage, and boosts immunity. The last one is On Guard. It's a powerhouse blend that supports immune function and fights off threats, both bacterial as well as viral. The easiest way to make this blend is by using a 5 milliliter essential oil bottle. So you're going to want to fill half of the bottle with the main ingredient, which is peppermint. And then you're going to add 15 drops of frankincense essential oil and add 15 drops of the lemon. And then you're going to add 10 to 12 drops of On Guard. Then you just shake it gently and it's ready to use. So now let's talk about how to use it effectively. The key is to start using it at the first signs of sinus discomfort. Apply it to the roof of your mouth towards the back. This allows the oils to get right to work where you need it most. Use it about 5 times a day until symptoms subside. Another tip is stay consistent. The more proactive you are, the better your results will be. This method worked so well for my husband that those winter sinus struggles are a thing of the past. I suggest you pair it with that essential oils breathing DIY I've shared about how to use it with steam distilling essential oils. Pair it with that would be a great combo. If you found this information helpful at all, be sure to like and subscribe so you'll never miss some of my best natural health tips. And if you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. I would love to hear your experience. If you want to learn more about essential oils and natural solutions, check out the free ebook. It's called 100 Ways to Use Essential Oils, and look for that in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you guys next time.